The Alphabet Center Pocket Chart is a bright and engaging literacy tool that's also versatile, allowing for learning on multiple levels. Each chart comes with 52 die-cut letter cards with red vowels and blue consonants for early letter recognition and 160 double-sided picture cards. The durable, easy-to-clean nylon pocket chart features 3 clear pocket rows for activities and an extra storage pocket. The colorful picture and letter cards help build skills from letter-sound relationships to beginning word building, as well as reinforcing early vocabulary skills. As students' language skills progress, they can move on to other language center pocket charts, including word families and rhyming, and blends. Perfect for teacher demonstration, interactive classroom literacy centers, and small groups. Children will love to learn with the Alphabet Center Pocket Chart from Learning Resources.